Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios. If you've been watching the channel for a little while, you've seen my black 2009 Mustang. You know that I keep it in good shape. Even though it's a daily driver, I try to pay attention to all the little details and keep this thing looking sharp. So, people have asked me, what do I do for scratches? No matter what, if you park in parking lots, if you drive on highways, you're inevitably going to get a scratch or two. Rocks come up and hit the front, door dings, all sorts of things that you can't prevent. You got kids, they're going to scratch it in the garage, who knows? Well, this comes to us from Color and Drive, coloranddrive.com, a 4-step process. Now, this has been great for me. I've been using it for quite a while, and I touch up the scratches and things. I was able to contact their website. They sent me a great kit that matches my car's exact color. That's right, my car's exact color. That's important to me. I don't want a slightly different black, a slightly different gray, white, purple, whatever your color of your car. Get the exact matching color. It's 4 steps. It's touch up, clean, polish, and finish. They have everything you need in this little kit right here. So I'm gonna show you a little bit about it, and let's kick it off right about now. Now, mind you, this isn't an exact tutorial, but the first step is you're just going to touch up the little spot of paint that you want fixed. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right like that. Next, you're going to clear up any overflow with this German-made and patented solution that helps you just clean up a little bit of overflow for the area that you worked on. Next, it's just a dab of polish, which they include as well as step 3, and you just polish up the area. Super simple, right? Then you just finish application. Again, this isn't meant as a tutorial on how to do it. You can read the instructions for that, but I'm just showing you how simple the process is and how good the results can look. So there you go, folks. Go ahead and pick this up from coloranddrive.com, a fantastic kit for keeping the color, the scratches, everything perfect about your favorite vehicle. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. Adios, amigos.